Welcome to this episode of Microchips. In this episode we're having a look at this Colt 444 CB radio. Now I bought this mistakenly thinking it was the FM version, but no it's not. It doesn't say Colt 444 FM and there's no FM on the squelch. So that makes it just an AM set. But never mind, we're going to have a look at it, see whether it works, see what frequencies it's on. So, nice little compact radio, nice 120 channel AM set. Let's have a look inside. Apart from a few bodge wires here and there, which are most probably from the factory, everything looks okay. Let's have a look at the component side. And again, everything looks okay. Never actually seen the insides of one of these radios before, so it's nice to work on. A nice LC7120 PLL chip, which was common in this era of radios. Now I did notice this core missing. I don't know whether that's intentional or somebody's taken it out. I think it's VCO, that one, I'm not too sure. There we go, it was switched into PA mode. I always like this band switch on the front. It almost looks like an afterthought with this little toggle switch, but I suppose it gives it a uniqueness about it. And another unique feature of this radio as well is that the signal meter changes colour when you're on transmit and receive. So red for TX, green for receive. So let's see if it's on frequency. Yeah, it's a little bit low, so that would be high band, mid band and low band. It's nice to see a high mid low radio. Yeah, it's just down a little bit. And it is still producing a healthy 10 watts as well. So we're going to carefully adjust the frequencies, or should we say carefully adjust the crystal trimmers, and just pull it onto frequency. Crystals have probably drifted a little bit over the years, to be expected, because this is probably more than 40-year-old and it's still in good working condition. There we go, as near as it's good enough. Just an experiment to put the two-tone generator on it and have a look at the RF output. Everything looked good on that. Just after a little bit of a clean up. Everything looks good. So there we have it, a vintage Colt 444 AM radio. And there you can see the signal meter changing colour a little better. So still working well after all this time. So I will try and get my hands on an FM one sometime to look at. But in the meantime, nice old AM radio. But anyway, I know this is a short video, but unfortunately there wasn't a lot to do with this radio, because after all this time it was still working. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.